Hi friends, welcome back. Are you looking for any accounting software for your business to take invoice copy printouts? If yes, then please wait. I'm having a good solution for you. In today's section, we will learn how to create an invoice copy in Excel with easy steps. Let's see. Open the Google and search for invoice bill formats. There will be a lot of types, so in which you can take any format just for designing purpose. Take a screenshot and copy it into the Excel file. Great. Now enter your company name, address, email ID and contact details etc. as per your requirement, and also all other required details. Set the page layout, margin and paper size as per your requirement. Copy and paste the format in other cells by using paste special. Now select the range and click on conditional formatting. This is we are using to avoid any unnecessary border lines. Here we need serial number 1, so for this we are going to use row function. Whenever we save the data, invoice number will automatically gets increased by using this function. Here we will use today's function to get today's date. So it will get automatically. So no need to enter every time. Just check the page layout whether everything's fine or not. Perfect. Change the sheet name for easy access. Now we will copy this data in other cells to keep our record for temporary purpose. Now enter customer name, customer address and item details. Once we enter the item details and quantity and rate, then serial number and amount will get automatically displayed as we have already created formulas for this. If any item is not entered, then the row will show a blank details like this. Now we have almost done everything. So now our final step is to create a macro. Now go to sales sheet and click on last column, first cell, then control down arrow, control left arrow and then control up arrow. Click on relative references. Now press down arrow and again click relative references and go to first sheet and copy the data and again come to cell sheet and here paste special. Now again go to first sheet and delete the data which we have entered. This is why, because just now we have copied the details in another sheet and now in this sheet we require empty cells to enter again. So now click on stop recording. Now insert a button and assign the macro to this. Perfect. After entering all details, once you click on this save button, then our input details will get saved in our cell sheet. Superb. This is just a sample format. As per your requirement, you can create your own details. Hope this section is very useful for you. If you have any doubts or queries, as always, you can use our comment box. Thank you for your valuable time.